My name is Maria Romano. I work for MSD. It's a pharmaceutical company, and I'm part of the supply chain organization, and I work on the supply planning team. MSD is a company inventing for life. That's our slogan, and that's real. It's a company that is constantly researching and developing new products to bring more health to the world. It's super diverse and environmental focus. It's like a very conscious company and always really looking for solutions, always putting the patient in the front of the business. Well, the topic today was sharing our experience during the spin-off of the company. So 3 years ago, we experienced a spin-off between MSD and Organon. I was very lucky to share the panel actually with my ex-colleague from Organon. So it went really well. We both talk about our experience in each side of the spin-off. So the topic was our lessons learned during this process and the impacts in the supply chain after the spin-off. I actually enjoy a lot the presentation on the second round of the speakers. It was this conversation between Accenture and cryogenics. They talk about all these solutions on how new technologies to freeze biologic products to keep the exact same biologic result for longer time of period, the impact on transportation of these products, defrosting them. So it was super interesting, and hopefully we can explore a little bit more about the solution. A lot of the speakers today talk about it. We also did it. There are two very common words across everybody's lingo today. Was resilient and agility. So the challenges are really all these disruptors of the supply chain for external factors, geopolitical factors, economy, natural incidents, and also reorganizations. So that is the challenge, and the trends is, well, how to evolve and continue operating with that by keeping resilience and agility, and the importance of keeping the companies supporting the resilience is how do you come back from these kind of disruptions, and the agility is how flexible and how fast can you really come back to it. One of my favorites is related to e-labeling. E-labeling, I love this initiative for two reasons. One is a shared initiative across all the pharmaceutical industry. It's not in the agenda of one company. It's in the agenda of everybody's companies. This is to eliminate the paper inside the boxes of the medicines, all these leaflets that you get, and most people don't read it. So I think that's amazing, because it's looking for us a unified solution for all pharmas, where with your phone you can scan a QR code in the medication and get all the information that this paper holds. So you will reduce all the printing paper, and reduce also the packaging of your products, because sometimes you have more space utilized by the paper than by the medication inside the box. So it's definitely one of my favorite sustainable solutions. Well, my personal manager was Oksana. She was first super friendly, very knowledgeable about the event, took us by hand on every step of the process since the beginning, explaining us what to expect, all the details about the event, from how to arrive to the airport, the hotels that were in the area. And of course, she facilitated a lot the information about the companies that we would find here and how to connect with people during the event. So she was really helpful and really great.